Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated Pubg mobile and stable touchscreen responsiveness. Open settings, then enter controls and layout immediately. You're not rearranging everything, just locating the right fire button. Once there, switch to custom HUD and lock the button position by toggling prevent editing or using one fixed slot. Adjust basic sensitivity slightly so taps register cleanly. This reduces accidental slides. This first step sets a steady baseline for the more precise adjustments ahead. Now refine the middle steps. Fine-tune touch sensitivity and layout placement to stop drift. You'll lower general and ADS sensitivity gradually. Test after each small change so you don't overcorrect. Disable gyroscope if motion causes aiming shifts because gyros amplify tiny hand movements. Next, use the HUD snap or grid feature to align the right fire button. Small horizontal shifts can eliminate sliding while keeping reach comfortable. Save the layout to a new slot so you can revert if a change. Finish by validating your fixes. Jump into training mode and run a rapid-fire drill for several minutes, checking that the right fire button stays put under sprint, prone, and quick swipe conditions. Once done, lock the HUD and make that layout your default so accidental edits don't return. If the button still shifts, try a tap-only configuration or an accessory controller lock. And if movement persists across apps, clear cache or reinstall the game. This narrows down software versus hardware issues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.